And finally today we're going to look at equivalence. Equivalence has the symbol with a double arrow. And this is if P, or sorry, if and only if P, then Q. So in this case, if P is past the exam and Q is by genes, then you will buy genes if and only if you pass the exam. So again, if we go back on our promises, the left-hand side of any of these double arrows is the exam, and just like for the implication, the right-hand side is the genes. So if you look at the first row, you pass the exams, you get the genes. That's true. It's not a broken promise. You passed it, you got the genes. In the second one, you pass the exam and you don't get the genes. That is a broken promise. You don't pass the exam, you get the genes. That's also a broken promise this time, because they did say if and only if. And finally, you don't pass the exam, you don't get the genes. Not a broken promise. You won't promise them, so that's true. And these, the equivalence statements are quite often used in arguments. If an equivalence statement results in a tautology, then the argument is true.